Can you explain your pricing? Fresh Clothes is created to make pricing predictable for residential customers especially. That's why we, instead of a lot of, differently than a lot of coin-op laundromats that are per pound pricing, we created Fresh Clothes to have per bag pricing. And that gives you predictability. Many families are trying to budget around a laundry service in their regular routine. So the per bag pricing allows that to be possible. Many families will use a bag per family member, or maybe the kids share a laundry bag. And our vision is that these bags, and my family uses the service as well, we use it as a hamper, as the dirty clothes hamper in our closet, and throw all the dirty stuff in there, set it out on our laundry day, and Fresh Clothes comes by, picks it up, wash, dry, folds it, returns it same day. So our pricing is meant to be easy to understand, easy to budget for, and we think that the per bag pricing facilitates that.